look forward to the education, engagement, and recognition programs जो अब as a business owners के साथ partnership में होंगे।
With the newly proposed direct selling laws, things are not going to be the same in our education system, and Amway is coming up with Amway-led education system, which will be co-created by Amway and the distributor leadership.
दोस्तों, Amway के इस 24 साल के हमारे करियर में हमने एक चीज नोटिस की है कि Amway ऑलवेज चेंजेस फॉर बेटर, और इसीलिए Amway इंडिया और Amway इंडिया की जो लीडरशिप है फिर एक बार हमारे फ्यूचर को स्ट्रॉन्ग बनाने के लिए फाउंडेशनल ग्रोथ स्ट्रेटेजी के ऊपर ऐसे कुछ काम करने जा रहे हैं कि जिससे हम फ्यूचर रेडी हो जाएंगे।
I'm so happy and thrilled that the new direct selling law has come into effect. So I feel very happy right now that Amway has decided to take the initiative and take total control of the entire requirements for the ABO success cycle, and they have made it into a collaborative effort.
तो हम चाहते हैं कि अगर ये एजुकेशन का प्रोग्राम है जो पूरा का पूरा Amway अपने हाथ में ले ले, तो ये बहुत ही ज़बरदस्त एक कदम होगा। इससे बहुत ही ज़्यादा बिजनेस डेवलप होगा, बहुत ज़्यादा पिन्ने ब्रेक होएंगी और इतनी वॉल्यूम हो जाएगी कि जो $1 बिलियन का छोटा सा ड्रीम हमने ले रखा है, बहुत जल्दी हम पूरा कर लेंगे।
दोस्तों, अपने 22 साल की Amway बिजनेस जर्नी में मैंने 3 चीज़ें सबसे ज़्यादा पावरफुल पाई हैं Amway डिस्ट्रीब्यूटर को ग्रोथ देने के लिए, और वो है एजुकेशन, एंगेजमेंट और रिकॉग्निशन। और सोचिए इससे अच्छा क्या हो सकता है अगर ये तीनों काम Amway करने लगे अपनी ऑल इंडिया लीडरशिप के साथ। मजा आ जाएगा, सारी लीडरशिप एक साथ होगी और हम सभी लोग एम्पावर करेंगे अपनी अपनी नॉलेज के हिसाब से इंडियन मार्केट।
The most difficult thing in life is change. The most difficult thing in life is accepting change. And the more difficult thing in life is to make the change work. Together, we can make it work.
Renuka and I are very excited about all the changes that company is making so that we can work together, and I do understand that the new regulations are coming and we need to make sure that we follow all the rules in India, and Renuka and I are very, very excited about working together in a big way, and we will make sure that Amway India is growing in a very fast lane.
We are quite excited about the new ecosystem that Amway India is bringing in for education and empowerment for every ABO in this country. We can foresee tremendous amount of growth within every ABO with regards to their skill set and mindset, which will definitely reflect in their business growth.
जरा कल्पना कीजिए एक ऐसा इकोसिस्टम तैयार हो जहां आपकी ग्रोथ, आपके टीम की ग्रोथ, आपकी लीडरशिप सब आगे चले जाए, जहां पैन इंडिया लीडरशिप एक साथ मूल्यों को, एजुकेशन को साझा करे और उसे सपोर्ट करे और ये संरक्षित रहे, प्रोटेक्टेड रहे।
In our 21 years journey, Amway always helped and helping us to grow in the right atmosphere. Now they have come up with lead and ego support system. This will play a major role in all of our growth strategy. Thank you, Amway.
Proud to be in Amway family.
To comply with evolved regulatory landscape in India, Amway India will be launching an Indian leader-led ecosystem, which is going to support ABO success through education, engagement and recognition. I am very excited about it and just eagerly waiting for its launch.
4 P's you need to build any business. Number 1, you need a platform. Number 2, you need products. Number 3, you need people to move those products. The customers are leader. And then the last P is the process, which builds those people. And that's how the entire business is performed. And that is why It is so exciting that Amway is now realigning with the expertise of the leadership of India. We are thankful to Anshu and the entire team for creating this new realignment. Let's make it happen.
Excited about all the great changes in Amway India, excited about the potential and the great growth, and also fully supportive of the initiative by Amway India. They are launching an Indian leader-led training program in order to comply with and cope with the changing regulatory environments in India. We're looking forward to supporting Amway fully and excited about.
हम लोग और एमवे मिलकर उस सिस्टम को बहुत अच्छी तरह चलाएंगे।
तो कितनी खुशी है कि ये बिजनेस को और आगे बढ़ाने के लिए हम एजुकेशन सिस्टम की और बढ़िया ला रहे हैं, जो कि हम एमवे और ये सारे लीडर्स मिलकर ये बनाएंगे और उसका जो हम एक डिटेल करेंगे ताकि एक बहुत ऑनेस्ट सिस्टम हमारे साथ आए और हम इतना आगे बढ़ सकें। एमवे का भी यही गोल है। आंशु टीम आर डूइंग ग्रेट और हम उनके साथ हैं।
The Amway is working towards a partnership with all the ADO leaders to educate the field about building an Amway business. And as you know, that has been a great foundation of the business about the product.
Super!